If you're looking for an affordable phone with powerful performance, then OnePlus Nord CE6 could be on your search list. And after using it for almost 15 days, let me tell you if this phone is worth your money or not. I'm your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. OnePlus has this new design language which they are using from their flagship model to mid-range phone, and the same goes for the OnePlus Nord CE6 too. The back is made up of polycarbonate that can resist fingerprint smudges. On the right side you get all the controls and the other side is completely clean. This phone weighs 215 grams and it is so well balanced that it doesn't feel heavy to use single-handedly. When you place this phone on a flat surface to use, it won't wobble and the phone gives you a premium look. It comes with a 6.78-inch 1.5K Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate. The display is vibrant with no oversaturation while enjoying your content. It supports HDR content and the whites and blacks are so well balanced that you won't complain while enjoying anime or horror content. I use this phone outdoors for calling and messaging in harsh Delhi sunlight and it didn't show any issues because you get a 3600 nits peak brightness. The in-display fingerprint sensor is responsive and you get up to 300% volume boost, but at 300% it starts distorting, so I recommend using it at 95% at max. The OnePlus Nord CE6 is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor, which is the latest mid-range processor from Qualcomm. We tested this device across different parameters. Firstly, let's see all the test results. In Antutu benchmark, it scored more than 11 lakh, which is good, and even in 3D Mark test, it showed good stability. In day-to-day tasks, it performs nicely. App opening and switching are smooth, and even while using many apps at the same time, this phone does not lag or show heating issues. While playing heavy titles like BGMI and S-File, this phone does not struggle. I started playing BGMI at max graphics settings and the gameplay was enjoyable, although it only goes up to 60 FPS. While playing, I checked the heat several times, but it was not that hot. And while playing S-File, the result was the same. There was no major heating and the gameplay was smooth too. But I got the best experience while playing on balanced graphics settings. Animations while using the phone are smooth thanks to Oxygen OS 16, and there are minimal bloatware apps in the phone. The OnePlus Nord CE6 comes with a dual rear camera setup of a 50MP primary lens with OIS and a 2MP secondary lens. In daylight, the camera clicks detailed images with decent dynamic range. The colors are close to natural, which is improved compared to the last gen Nord model. There is no ultra-wide lens on this phone, but with the last year's model, you get an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and I don't understand why they removed it. The portraits are decent too, the bokeh is fine, but sometimes the edges are not that clearly captured and it softens the skin tone. In low light, the result is decent thanks to OIS, but in some situations, there is some noise. Moving on, let's talk about the 32MP selfie camera. The selfie pictures are more detailed and clear. All the facial details are captured nicely. The skin tone in the selfie results is close to natural, and even in portrait mode, the result is mostly the same. This phone can record videos up to 4K 30fps from both rear and front cameras, but if you turn on stabilizer, it switches to 1080p 60fps. The video result is fine and the details are clear, but it boosts the color a bit more, which looks unrealistic. The OnePlus Nord CE6 is packed with a massive battery of 8000 mAh. After I opened the box, I charged this phone to 100% and used it for more than 1.5 days, and trust me, I watched many web series and played games for almost 3 to 4 hours non-stop, and the battery was still on 50%. And after somehow discharging it, it charges back in just 1 hour and 5 minutes with its 80-watt charger given in the box. While charging this phone, it doesn't show major heating, and even while charging, I used this phone for playing games and it was not getting very hot either. So before talking about the final verdict, let me tell you this phone starts from 29,999 and it gives you a fantastic display, a long-lasting battery, good performance and a clean OS experience. But if your priority revolves around a good camera setup with all these features in the same price segment, then you should look for other options available in the market. What do you think? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews. I'm your host Harshit Arora. मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में.